In a small village surrounded by hills and rivers lived two best friends, Mia and Laila, inseparable since childhood. One summer, a grand festival sparked excitement in the village with games, food, and a treasure hunt. Mia and Laila teamed up for the treasure hunt, believing together they could conquer any challenge. With a map and clues, they ventured to the old mill. Mia slipped into the water, but Laila rescued her. Then they climbed the ancient oak tree, where they discovered a small chest containing a key inscribed with, "True friends unlock the greatest treasures." At the village square, they found a large chest. Opening it revealed a note, "The real treasure is friendship." The treasure hunt tested their friendship, strengthening their bond through challenges and laughter. As the festival ended, Mia and Laila shared their adventure, celebrated by the villagers who honored their friendship. From that day forward, their friendship thrived as they explored and dreamed together, knowing they had each other.